Hello, this is that creative girl with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can fasten your hair growth with just one ingredient which is available probably in every home. I personally have long hairs. I know sometimes I feel like I need short hairs. Yeah, but I really don't. Okay, whatever. Now about this DIY, which is also a good natural conditioner, so you can get rid of your conditioner which contains parabens, sulfates and whatnot, which believe me are not good for your hairs. So first you have to remove the front part and the end part of the okra or bhindi, and after that start cutting it into smaller chunks. By eating okra, you can improve your heart health and lower your risk of experiencing oxidative damage and blood clots. It's rich in vitamin A, C, and K and has calcium, potassium, and lots of other nutrients that are great for hair growth. So it's very necessary for you to cut into good small pieces if you want a good concentrated product at the end. This vegetable contains good quantities of vitamins for which it can be used to powerfully moisturize and humidify one's hair, restoring even the most damaged and dry ones, especially when using or doing treatments with chemicals or frequently blow drying or flat ironing the hair. Believe me when I say it worked for me, so I really want you to try this one and let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm done with cutting, so let's get into the next step quickly. So I'm not really gonna show you how to boil because it's really simple. You just have to put all the pieces into the water and let it boil till it turns somewhat yellowish or greenish like this. After the boiling step is done, the water into the pot will turn into somewhat gel consistency. So for hair purpose, we just need the gel. So we are gonna strain the mixture through the strainer. So I'm gonna put all the remains of the okra into the mixer jar for the face mask I'm gonna show you now. Now that our gel is ready, I'm gonna pour it into an empty bottle. Now that our natural conditioner is ready, you can give your regular conditioner a miss once in a while and take care of your hair the natural way. You have to apply this on the scalp and on the length of your hair and keep it around 2 to 3 hours and then rinse it with normal water. Apply this gel as a hair mask at least thrice a week for good results, and I promise you This will not only fasten your hair growth, but your hairs will shine like crazy. So now for the face mask, which is very hydrating, we'll take the okra which was previously boiled into the mixer, and then we'll add the aloe vera gel, which is natural aloe vera gel. I will suggest you all to please grow a aloe vera plant on your terrace or on your backyard. It's not really that hard, and you don't have to take care of the plant that much. Now you just have to grind this into the mixer and you're good to go. The okra will really promote the healthy skin. The vitamins in the okra aids in the growth and repair of bodily tissues, which directly affects the collagen formation. It helps to prevent skin pigmentation and helps to regenerate damaged skin. So now that our face mask is ready, I'm gonna add some drops of rose water to make it more hydrating to our skin. So finally, it's ready. I know it doesn't look very good and also the consistency is a little weird, but believe me, it's gonna do magic for your skin. Okay, so that's it for today. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this with your friends and family. Good day.